We are solving a problem that was given in NEET 2016. The problem is like this. Two cars P and Q start from a point at the same time. That means they are starting from the same time in a straight line, and their positions, that means displacement, is given for you, x, P and Q. At what time do they have the same velocity? So first thing that we need to understand is he has given displacement and he wants velocity, right? So let's find velocity. Let's see what is given for you. Displacement of the first one is at plus bt square, where a and b are constants and t is the time. So velocity of that first one is displacement of the rate of change of displacement of that. Let's differentiate this. A into differentiation of t equal to 1. dt by dt becomes 1. B, differentiation of t square equal to 2t. This is basing on the formula differentiation of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. So differentiation of t square is, power has to be written first, t power minus 1. That is 2t power 2. 2 minus 1 is 2. So that is nothing but 2t. That's what is being written here. When there is a just t, then differentiation of that becomes, t will just evaporate because it becomes dt by dt here, and the constant only will remain. Similarly, what is given for you is displacement of q is given as ft minus t square. Here again f is constant. So velocity of the q is differentiation of that with respect to time. So again f is a constant. That becomes automatically f, as I told you here. So why it becomes like that? F is a constant dt by dt because the t is remaining. That becomes 1. That's what is being said. Differentiation of t power 2, as I already told you, is 2t. So this value vq is f minus 2t. Now I know velocity of the first one as a plus 2b into t. Second one is f minus 2t. What is given further in the problem is, it is given that, it is given that at what time these two will have the same velocity. That means is asking at what time velocity of the p equal to velocity of the q. Velocity of the p is this, velocity of the q is this. Just equate them. A plus 2b into t is f minus 2t. Let's arrange the time. 2b into t minus 2t becomes a plus 2t on this side. It becomes f. Take this to other side. It becomes a minus a. So t is common. 2b plus 2 equal to f minus a. So at what time is at this time? T equal to f minus a by 2b plus 2. That's an answer. But it was not in that format. 2 is taken common in all of them. So let us take 2 common in the denominator. It becomes b plus 1. So at this particular time, what is that? F minus a by 2 of b plus 1. So which option? This one is the right answer. I will get that velocities becomes equal. So while we are solving this problem, we followed a simple concept. That's important for us to understand that when displacement is given, you want velocity, you shall differentiate that simply because velocity is defined as rate of change of displacement. Displacement is given. If you differentiate that with respect to time, I will get velocity. That's the important point that we should learn so that you can solve similar other problems too. That's it. So the concept of differentiation is involved. So we shall know this simple formula. Differentiation of x power n equal to n into x power n minus 1. That's it for this video. I'll see you with the other video. Thank you for watching.